Thanks, Tom. Living green. If that's not your lifestyle, it can be by the end of this Saturday. That's when the inaugural Minnesota Goes Green Expo is happening in St. Paul. And Emma Roscoe shows us some everyday ideas for a greener tomorrow.
Good morning from the recently refurbished Union Depot in St. Paul. It is a gorgeous, repurposed place that is a fine setting for Saturday's Minnesota Goes Green. It's kind of an eco-awareness day. Everyday ideas to make a greener planet. And the first thing we're going to do is start with a fashion show because, well, that's just fun and visual. And Julie Hill from Soul Inspirations, you're all about being fashionable but eco-conscious at the same time.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about these outfits.
Wonderful. We have 3 dynamic young ladies, and the first model that you're seeing right over here is, again, what we call upcycling, reusing and revitalizing fashion.
And you're never going to guess what it's made out of.
Yes.
Can I say it? Can
Please
I?
do.
It's a shower curtain. Can you believe that?
It is. It's just absolutely amazing.
Okay, our next look
Is another, again, an opportunity for us to take clothing that we probably would have thrown away and transform it. This particular garment actually can be transformed into 10 different styles. In fact, I just want to show one that you could take this off.
Okay.
This is, again, a garment that would have been thrown away. And what we did is, please turn around and see the detail of the work. Absolutely amazing.
And then finally,
and this is from Second Debut, and again, Goodwill, an opportunity for people to understand that you can, again, reuse, revitalize, and transform.
let's see, is there a label on these pants? I'm looking. What do we got here? I can't. It's something fancy pants. It's BCBG Max. Azria. I'm sorry, I looked inside your pants. And that's because Second Debut, I don't have any boundaries. Second Debut is a Goodwill store that takes their name brands and kind of pulls them out. And so that's why I was looking for a label. From fashion to food, we're going to talk local food now, eating locally. I am joined by Hai Trong from Nong Bistro and Lenny Russo from Heartland, both restaurants in St. Paul. Now, Lenny, you've brought a few things from your restaurant. I think you'd be hard-pressed to find anything in your restaurant that's not local. Why is that?
Right. Well, we support the local farmers, and we're very focused on the most nutritious and best tasting ingredients we can find, and that's the stuff that's locally grown.
Hi, what are some other benefits to eating locally sourced food?
Well, the freshness, number one, the food definitely tastes better, the nutrition, and just going to the farmer's market, connecting with people that produce it, so knowing exactly where it's come from versus off of some truck, off of somewhere.
Ask, is this an heirloom variety tomato? Is it not? Those kinds of questions. Well, thanks for joining me, gentlemen. The Minnesota Goes Green Expo is Saturday from 9 to 6. It's free. Check it out. And I'm sure it's going to be delicious.
Maybe magically delicious. You never know.
Lucky Charms. I'm hungry for those. Emma heads to Roseville High School to bestow a very special Top Teacher Award.
Yeah, that'll be on Monday.